Okay, Assalamualaikum and good morning to all attendees for today's first Tech Network. Okay, I'm Hardy and there's Zikri. Zikri angkat tangan sikit.
Hi, Assalamualaikum.
Yeah, we are from Product Development and Community Department of Malaysian Bioeconomy Development Corporation. So we'll be the moderator for today's event. Tech Network is one of our initiatives to help commercialize R&D output from Malaysian universities and research institutes. Tech Network is an online platform where our researchers or innovators will share their R&D findings or technology that they invented to solve issues in the industry. So for today's session, we bring to you Dr. Mohamad Firdaus bin Basrawi, a researcher from Universiti of Malaysia, Pahang, to present to you his invention to solve honey harvesting issue. Yeah. So a brief information about Dr. Firdaus. Dr. Firdaus has 5 years experience of research in stainless bee industry. So other than that, Dr. Firdaus is a PhD graduate in mechanical engineering from Kitami Institute of Technology, Japan. Betul Dr. Firdaus ya? Oh, dia mute dia punya mic tu. So for information, this session will be conducted in dual language, Malay and English. So question and answer session will be done at the end of presentation. Alternatively, you may leave your question at the chat space at the bottom there, at the right bottom there, and we will assist to read for you at the end of the presentation. Kalau nak bertanya secara langsung pun boleh, tak ada masalah. Mungkin selepas sesi presentation lah. Okay. Kalau tidak, tinggalkan soalan di ruangan chat. So before we begin our session, we would like to seek your cooperation to mute your microphone to help assist the smoothness of this presentation. On another note, okay, for information, this session will be recorded for the purpose of improvement. So without further ado, we would like to invite Dr. Firdaus to begin his presentation. Tafadhal.
Silakan Dr. Firdaus.
Okay, thank you Mr. Henry for the introduction. Good morning, Assalamualaikum to everyone. So today, thank you for coming to this session also. My topic today, the given topic was sleep palm, also a social innovation to help beekeepers to harvest honey at high quality. But I think it is rather in a small scope lah kan, so that's why I add another invention that that we cater on the stainless bees, and also it can be used for other industry also. So I put another one which is a potential of a swirling fluidized bed dryer in agriculture and industry lah. So ada dua lah hari ni. Okay. Before that, I would like to introduce about myself a bit, as introduced by our chair. My name is Firdaus Basrawi. I am from Universiti Malaysia Pahang, and I did my degree, master and PhD in the same University, Kitami Institute of Technology in Hokkaido, Japan. I have been here for 8 years in UMP, basically as lecturer and researcher lah. And then since 2014-15, I started as a hobby lah in stainless bees, kan? And then from there I got the reach to players, kan? And then apa nama dia bagi tahu lah problem-problem dia. And then I join persatuan NGO lah, Persatuan Penduduk Pahang, PUKP, and they appointed me as official advisor. And then from there, I really feel there are needs lah to solve problem that yang peternak facing lah. So daripada situ I start invention lah. Ada few sebenarnya, ada dalam 3-4 innovations that are related to this stainless bees industry, but today I introduce 2 lah. Okay, basically that's it about me. And then from my side, as a lecturer in Universiti Malaysia Pahang, and then all the innovation, the sales and so on will go through UMP technology lah. It is under UMP holding. So we have a bit of sales lah in 2019 and 20, and then we go through this UMP technology. So first is about the problem statement. The potential of honey market is quite high, and it is increasing, and it is estimated about $500 million 2017, and it could be increased to 910 million in 2023. And then in Malaysia, the market value now is about 20 million. And by the study, this is by the study of MOA lah and a few researcher lah I think from UMT. They estimated now it is only 1%. This stainless steel industry actually it is bottom up. So it started 2010 in Malaysia. So only about 10 years. Government just have it around maybe 2-3 years back lah. Before that, it is all bottom up. The enthusiasts of stainless steel started this in Malaysia, and then so now it is only 1%. MOA estimated it could increase to 2.38 billion in Malaysia alone, okay? And then at this 1%, it is about the 2,300 beekeepers in Malaysia, and one of the essential equipment kan, alat yang paling penting, if orang tua getah, dia kena ada pisau getah tu. So for honey, as you can see here, the honey is unlike bukan dalam comb macam honey biasa, so stainless steel dia dalam pot. So ada pot banyak ni, so they need to sedut lah, they need to harvest by suction lah this honey. Before this, people use string. So very tedious, leceh lah, ambil masa, and then people start to invent their own lah. The beekeepers ada guna breast pump, and there are a few other invention lah kan. Okay, type of pump yang sedang digunakan,
yang sedang digunakan
most of them diaphragm pump, which is vacuum pump. Bila vacuum pump, dia suction dia sedut dia dengan udara. Bila dengan udara, the problem is the honey will be mixed with bubble lah, air bubble. So yang ni, gambar ni actually it is not the color of the honey, but it is the color of the bubble. Kan? The real color of the honey is bottom here kat bawah ni. This is the color of the bubble. So it is full with bubble. So with bubble, it takes time to bubble tu hilang, to dissolve kan. Ada kadang-kadang ambil masa 2-3 hari ke seminggu lah untuk bubble tu hilang, baru dia boleh start buat bottling dan semua lah. So lead time lah, dia tak boleh nak jual lah straight away. Okay, so so from that we do invention about solving the bubble problem, and also kita buat pump yang user friendly lah basically. I play video ni lah, tak apalah. Sementara tu I boleh explain. So basically this is the pump lah. Boleh nampak ke?
Okay. Yeah.
Boleh nampak.
I bring the pump also here.
Nampak.
So there is there is a pump inside here. Inside this box got pump discover kan. Got battery 6800 mAh. So it will 4 jam lah lebih kurang, 3 ke 4 jam. And then ada cooling fan kan, ada cooling fan. Dalam tu ada fin ni untuk lagi sejuk lah kan. And then got motor, and then got gearbox with the motor, and then got 2 switch for the battery and also for the on off. So we turn on the battery switch, and then we turn on this one. So it's working lah, the fan is okay. And we can start starting from this one. Okay. So for example, basically dia ada suction kan, itu kita ambil daripada pot ni kan, bila kita lepaskan on lah, nanti dia pergi, honey tu pergi sini, dia masuk dalam pump kan, and then dia keluar masuk dalam botol lah. So we collect the bottle, we collect from this bottle lah nanti kan. Okay,
Dr. Firdaus nak tanya berapa ml lah sekali collect dalam botol tu?
dalam botol ni 1.4 ml lah dia punya capacity.
Satu botol
Capacity
ke?
1.4 ml.
Satu botol.
Satu botol. Betul.
1.4 ml? Takkan 1.4 ml?
1.4 liter, sorry, not ml.
Alright.
Okay.
Yang botol Coca-Cola lah kan?
Ya, betul lah. Okay.
Ya, betul.
Nak tanya sekali tak, macam mana you get rid of the bubble?
As apa yang cakap tadi, we use different type of pump. Actually, vacuum pump is not the suitable pump lah for the suction lah. Yang orang selalu guna tu vacuum pump. Tapi sebenarnya dia bukan pump yang sesuai. Kita kena pilih pump yang lain. Kita kena proper design lah, senang cerita. Jadi daripada situ kita boleh dapat ni lah, kalau tengok dalam video ni, ada dalam gambar ni, ada yang with bubble and then this harvesting from us lah. Slip pump tak ada bubble lah. Jadi orang boleh terus pergi buat proses, pergi bottling and then they can sell lah straight away. Okay, so
Firdaus.
and then
bila madu ni dia jadi bubble, maksudnya dia ada effect quality ke tidak? Ataupun hanya sekadar satu kosmetik supaya tak bagi efek dekat customer?
Ini apa sebenarnya nak cerita ni panjang sikit. Tapi mainly dia kosmetik tu satu. And then another thing is dalam madu ni dia ada microbe yang baik lah. Kan kalau vitagen dia ada satu kan, lactobacillus tu kan. Dalam madu ni dia ada lebih daripada 40 bakteria baik kan. So bakteria baik ni dia hidup. Okay, dia hidup. So bila dia hidup, dia akan dia makan madu tu. Jadi madu tu akan berubah sikit-sikit dan dia keluar bubble. Jadi bubble tu bila ada bubble ni lagi banyaklah bubble tambahan dengan microbe tu.
I see.
Jadi dia jadi masam lagi cepat ke?
Dia kemungkinan besar dia akan lagi masam lagi cepat lah. Dia akan lagi membantu proses penapaian tu lah.
Okay.
Faham.
Okay,
teruskan Dr. Firdaus.
Okay, so this one kita dah register as IP lah, and then patent agent tu dia suggest as a patent lah, kan? So we register already, waiting for my IPO lah. And then competitive advantage ialah tadi mainly is about direct bottling lah, kan? Diaphragm pump, vacuum pump, they causes bubble, lead time, and our pump is very minimal bubble, so eliminating lead pump lah. Okay, and then robustness, maknanya kalau beli ada macam-macam jenis tadi, dia bukan proper design untuk harvest honey. Jadi bila kita pakai terlebih and so on, dia cepat rosak lah, and then kita boleh nak repair. And usually kita pakai buang bila kena beli baru. So our product is it is robust lah. We design the cooling system properly and so on. Jadi it's robust, and then dia repairable lah. There are some wear and tear part tu kita boleh repair, kan, tak ada masalah. So dia boleh pakai lama. And then it is user friendly lah. We design it properly, longer time operation, and then we make it lighter, kan. So we choose proper component lah kan. Ada bateri kita tak boleh guna yang lead acid kan, berat, besar kan. Kita guna lithium ion. And then the pump also itself kan, pump kita bukan guna diaphragm, kita guna different pumps and so on. And then the speed also banding guna brass pump and so on, slow lah kan. Kalau yang ni dia laju lah. Ada juga pump yang laju, yang lebih kurang sama speed dengan kita. Tapi range dia pump tu banyak lah, ada yang slow, ada yang laju. Kita memang buat about 15 ports lah per minute. And then the package come with spare part lah kan. Next, about market potential, as I mentioned just now, it is only 1% of 2.38 billion. So there will be more beekeepers kan in Malaysia. And then it is not only in Malaysia kan, yang stingless bees ni dia ada the whole world kan, the tropical region kan, ada dekat the most famous is Brazil, Australia. They are leading in the technology of beekeeping and for pollination. Untuk pollination. Satu dunia dia tak fikir madu pun dalam kelulut ni. Tapi Malaysia dia terbalik. Dia tak guna langsung untuk pollination, dia guna untuk madu. So nowadays Malaysia in term of beekeeping untuk produce products is leading. Researcher kita pergi conference pun dia amazed lah with Malaysian production of honey. And then everybody knows kelulut honey is a premium lah kan, dia produce sikit dan dia punya quality also tinggi kan. So there is a possibility to expand lah in Malaysia, the more populated countries kan, Indonesia, Philippines, Thailand, Australia, Brazil. So the market for me I think is big. And then commercialization status, kita ni researcher, kita tak pandai berniaga. Kita tak pandai nak jual barang. But kita boleh solve problem orang sikit-sikit kan. Jadi from my activity also, dengan persatuan NGO kan, we go to do training for community, we go for yang peternak, kita join persatuan. Kita buat dengan East Coast ECR kan, ECR and so on. From those community engagement, exhibition, media sosial sikit-sikit, kita adalah buat sales kan. Kita tak ada proper marketing and so on. Kita ada lebih kurang 2019 about 13,500, 2020 PKP ni about 4,500 ringgit lah our sales through UMP technology.
Dr. Firdaus.
Ya.
Untuk 2019 punya figures kat situ 13,500 tu mewakili berapa unit tu?
Itu I think UMPT punya ni 30 units I think, 30
units.
Okay.
Maknanya kalau orang nak beli mesin ni tak ada isu lah, boleh buat lah.
Memang kita boleh. Cumanya kita tak pandai kan, kita tak pandai nak cari supply yang murah kan. Jadi kalau ada yang berminat untuk betul-betul commercialise lagi bagus. Macam itulah. Kita pun tak larat kan. Kita nak mengajar.
So maknanya bila ada yang minat nak membeli, dia per order ke, ada ready stock ke ataupun dia bila ada order baru dibuat?
Kita buat ready stock tu tak banyak.
Okey.
Kalau banyak-banyak maknanya kena tunggulah. Kalau setakat nak 1, 2 tu adalah ready stock.
Okey.
Okey.
How long
so maknanya
untuk buat satu tu?
Satu tu at least 2-3 days lah. Because some part we need to 3D printed is slow kan. And then depend on the availability. Actually my student lah yang tolong untuk assembly and so on kan. So depend on dia juga kan.
Dr. Firdaus, kita ada soalan daripada Encik Irfan ni. Encik Irfan tanya, ada minimum quantity ke untuk buat order untuk device ni?
Tak ada minimum.
Tak ada Satu pun boleh
Satu pun boleh, tak ada hal.
Baik.
Saya ada soalan.
Okay.
Okay, this one is bukan lagi prototype, maknanya dah jual lah kan?
Kita boleh
Berapa
kata
kilo
jual
kalau
lah.
dia galaskan dengan alat tu for a person to carry on, dia ada sling kan? Berapa berat dia untuk the whole unit?
Okay, unit tu 1 kilo lah lebih kurang.
Oh,
Unit
tak
tu
lambat.
1 kilo.
But that 1 kilo tu without the madu kan? But with
Bila dia madu tu dia boleh pergi, kalau 1.4 liter dia boleh pergi dekat 1.78 kilogram lah.
Sangat.
So total
maknanya
dekat dengan 3 kilo jugalah kalau total.
Maknanya bila dah apa tu, kita dah harvest tu, maknanya madu penuh together dengan berat device tu lebih kurang 1 kilo tambah 1.4 liter, lebih kurang 2.4 kilo lah kan, dekat 3 kilo lah maksudnya.
Madu dia density dia tinggi sikit, jadi dia boleh pergi lebih. So mungkin dalam 3 kilo lah total tu.
Saya nak tanya sikit pasal the bottles yang 1.5 liter, yang 1.4 liter yang you collect tu. Is it glass?
No, it is plastic. Water bottle. Ni water bottle.
Water bottle tu lah.
So it can be any bottle lah. I mean because it's temporary kan, nak collect madu tu je kan.
Ya, betul.
So apa-apa botol pun boleh lah sebelum you bottle into the actual bottle untuk jual lah nanti.
Dia better yang BPA free lah, yang food grade punya botol. And then bukannya botol yang mineral tu kan. Mineral tu dia kurang elok lah kan. Dia cepat degrade.
So maknanya kalau ada orang nak membeli, dia tak didatangkan sekali dengan botol lah. Dia
sekali lah. Ni satu package ni. So dia satu package ni dalam kotak ada spare part semua lah.
Okay. Cik Irfan nak tanya tu, apa tu?
Okay, because saya connected juga dengan beberapa orang yang harvester madu kelulut ni. So far saya tak ada dengar dia orang cakap ada isu nak sedut ni lah. Cuma harga dia 550. Is there any way because diorang nak invest, because most of them dalam dia punya skill sendiri kan doktor? Any way untuk dapatkan at the discounted rate untuk, I don't know how, but for me that 550 for diorang untuk invest tu is quite high.
Betul, saya setuju.
Then that's one. Number two adalah ada warranty period tak untuk this equipment macam ni?
Ada. Okay. Warranty ada. Setengah tahun lah kita bagi.
Setengah tahun Okay.
Setengah tahun. 6 bulan lah.
6 bulan.
Okay. So yang harga tu kita boleh bincang lah. Nanti kalau kita connect Firdaus dengan team yang saya kenal ni, boleh nego price harga situ
boleh. Itu kita cubalah. Kita cuba.
Wah, Irfan dah bawa bisnes ni.
Juga dia punya, sebab saya tanya MQA tadi, minimum quantity for order quantity tu. Sebab kalau ada setengah yang based on the tanya ni 50, 100 so that production tu justified lah harga dia kan.
Betul, sebab itulah, sebab kita punya mahal sebab kita bukan buat large scale kan. Jadi bila small scale ni, jelah benda kuantiti setiap satu tu jadi mahal lah kan, banding orang yang beli bulk banyak kan. Itulah.
Anyway,
your next business venture.
Maybe lah. Anyone interested?
Kita Dr. Firdaus, tadi yang ni kan tengah ada community engagement kan. Maybe boleh share dengan kita apa feedback diorang pasal this one yang like how is it we contribute to them? Are they willing to take up this or invest and something like that?
Okay, feedback kita sebenarnya this is not the first prototype lah. kan sebenarnya ni dah version ke-5, ke-4, ke-5 lebih kurang. Kita dah banyak buat improvement lah. And they are giving the feedback and from that we improve lah kan. So this one kebanyakannya semua puas hati lah dengan apa pump yang ada ni kan. Cumanya masalah dia dekat tadi itulah dia punya harga. Tapi dari segi kualiti penggunaan semua puas hati lah. Dari segi feedback dia orang lah. Yang mula-mula tu betul lah, adalah kan, tapi lepas tu kita improve.
Okay,
one last question maybe lah. Dekat host tu, ada tak possibility dia ada filter sebab kalau sedut, akan host tu bare, dia tak ada apa-apa filter. Macam aquarium kan dia ada filter.
Tak ada. Dia tak ada filter. Kalau kita buat filter, kadang filter tu if it is too fine kan, ada filter tapi dia rough lah. Kalau too fine nanti madu tu dia sumbat.
Okay.
Madu kan dia pekat kan. Dekat filter tu dia turun lambat, dia sumbat, dia tak boleh nak ni. Jadi filter tu after that lah.
Okay.
During bottling process.
Right, thanks.
Okay, teruskan tu Firdaus.
Okay, so commercialization, okay. So challenges, so these are our challenges. I got 3 challenges. First tadi itulah harga. Due to kita buat tu small scale kan, and then sampai 3D printed and so on kan, so expensive lah. And then maybe good facilitation is funding on and then the facilitation how to get cheaper price from suppliers through the part supply and so on lah. Kita tak pandai benda-benda ni, benda-benda business, cari stock and so on kan. And then a few part of the system tend to break earlier. So ada part dalam tu yang wear and tear. Tapi kalau kita nak tukar, kita kena tukar sedebuk ni. Contohnya gearbox kereta tu ada satu je gear tu rosak. Tapi we need to change the whole gearbox kan. So it is not good lah kan. So sebenarnya kalau kita boleh buat small molding kan, kita boleh buat small part ni je. And kita boleh control lah the quality and also we can do it as a after sale service revenue lah.
Dr.
So
sebelum berlakunya kerosakan pada pump ni, so dia punya jangka hayat sebelum berlaku kerosakan ni agak-agak berapa lama? Sebab tadi waktu earlier presentation kata dia lebih robust berbanding dengan pump-pump biasa yang digunakan. So berapa lama tu?
Dia lebih kurang 8,000 hour.
8,000 hour, okay.
So, tapi yang tukar dia ni lah wear and tear dia. Macam kita bawa kereta kan, ada tayar tu pula nak kena tukar kan. Macam tu lah. And then international market, because macam takat tadi, we got the whole world lah kan, especially in tropical region lah, they have this stainless based industry also. Kalau siapa-siapa minat, so we can do better packaging, better design improvement and we can penetrate lah Indonesia pun dah besar dah kan.
Setakat ni yang membeli unit ni usahawan tempatan sahaja ke ataupun kita dah ada doktor dah ada international customer?
Tak ada, tempatan sahaja.
Kejap, Dr. Firdaus, are you in touch with, kan ada Kelulut Association tu yang, I think Malaysia ada Kelulut Association kan yang ramai-ramai tu?
Ya, saya pun dalam Kelulut Pahang lah, Persatuan Kelulut Pahang, saya join tu juga.
Okay, so are they all using your pump ni?
Not all lah, not all. Yelah yang beli-beli pun daripada situ juga. Tapi bukan all lah. But many lah.
Okay, itu Firdaus. Baik.
Okay.
Teruskan.